Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe to connect Stripe to BigCommerce. Begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, click on the Marketplace option. In the search bar, type Stripe and press Enter. Find the Stripe app from the list of available apps. Click on the Stripe app to view more details. Once on the app page, click the Install button to proceed. You'll be guided to an installation page. Review the permissions that the app requires and click Confirm. After installation, you will be redirected to the Stripe setup page. If you don't have a Stripe account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. If you already have a Stripe account, click on Connect with Stripe. You will be directed to the Stripe login page. Enter your Stripe account credentials and log in. Authorize BigCommerce to access your Stripe account by clicking Authorize. Once you are redirected back to BigCommerce, confirm the connection. To ensure everything is set up correctly, navigate to Store Setup. From there, click on Payments. Under Payment Providers, you should see Stripe listed as an active payment provider. Make sure to configure your payment settings according to your preferences. Finally, test the payment process by making a small transaction in your store. You have now successfully connected Stripe to BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.